guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna. So this video is all about my makeup routine, that how I do my makeup routine when I am in a lot of hurry. So yeah, if you are interested then please keep watching. So first of all, I'm using this Maybelline concealer in the shade 10 Light. With the help of a beauty blender, it is quite squishy. I'm going to blend it out. After that, I'm just going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. मैं बस इसे अपनी अंडर आइज पे लगाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे कंसीलर सेट चाहिए. ब्रिज ऑफ माई नोज, हल्का हल्का जहाँ पे मैंने कंसीलर ज़्यादा अप्लाई किया है. onto my cheeks a little bit, upper lip area. Now I'm using this Nykaa's Brow Chico Wow eyebrow pencil in the shade Coven Coco 01. I'm going to brush it up first of all. Now I'm using the eyebrow pencil. My eyebrows are already shaped, so that's why I am not reshaping them. I'm just filling out a little bit. Now I'm using the same spoolie and going to brush it up so that अगर कहीं color रह गया हो, इकट्ठा हो गया हो, तो वो blend out हो जाए. I'm taking this brush and just going to dust it off a little bit with a light hand. Using this Lakme Lip Love lip balm for prepping up my lips. After that, I am using this Sugar Cosmetics palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. It has a contour shade, a highlighter and a blush. I'm going to use the same brush, swirl it around a little bit and on apple of my cheeks. I'm using the same highlighter from the same palette. After that, I'm going to use this Vega eyelash curler. And now I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It is a waterproof mascara. So after that, completing this look, I'm just using this Sugar Cosmetic mini liquid lipstick in the shade 12 Dawn Fawn. So I'll just quickly go and do my hair and I'll be right back. So yeah, this look is also completed. So this is my routine for no makeup look, and I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also do share and comment on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel. Put the bell notifications on. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram handle then please do follow me on my Instagram handle, which is Sapna Purohit. And I'll see you in my next video. Until and unless then, bye.